Hello everyone, welcome to this lesson on daily objects and things around you in Malay. Today you will learn common Malay words for everyday objects that you see and use every day. Let's get started. In this lesson, you will learn the Malay names for common everyday objects, understand their English meanings, and build useful vocabulary for daily conversations. Let's begin. Okay, we have first one, which is buku. Buku. Buku means book. Buku. Okay, next, telephone. Telephone. Telephone means phone. So in Malay, we understand telephone should be our currently smartphone like this. So telephone. Saya ada telefon. Ada means to have. So saya ada telefon. I have telephone. I have smartphone. Okay, next, meja. Meja means table. Meja, meja. Next, kerusi. Kerusi. Kerusi means chair. Kerusi, chair. Next, bag. We say bag. Bag means bag, okay? Bag. Saya ada bag. Means I have a bag. Saya ada bag. Okay, next, botol. Botol means bottle. So like this, botol. Saya ada botol. I have a bottle. Okay, next, jam. It's not jam, it is jam. Jam means clock, right? Clock, jam. Okay, next, pencil. Pencil. Pencil means pencil. So, saya ada pencil. I have a pencil. Okay, next, pen. It means pen. So, it is same. Okay, next, kunci. Kunci. Kunci means key. Great work. Let's review the words you have learned today. The first one, buku. Buku. The second one, telephone, which is a phone, yeah, our smartphone. Next, meja. Meja, it means table. Next, kerusi. Kerusi, it means chair. And then bag, bottle, jam, pencil, pen, kunci. Try saying each word aloud a few times to help you remember them. Excellent job! You have learned 10 useful Malay words for everyday objects. Keep practicing these words whenever you see this item around you. You will remember them even faster. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next Malay lesson. Thank you so much. Bye.